I woke up this morning, I went to the store, got me 3 red snappers, and I honestly don't know what to cook because everybody in my house been complaining about eating rice a little bit too much. They complain about everything, like everything. Too much rice, too much this, too much that. And me, I don't have time for that. Like the kids, they be like, oh, we eat Haitian food too much. Like we're tired of eating Haitian food. How could you be tired of eating something so good? I don't know. Like me, I can eat Haitian food every day. You know, every day I can eat Haitian food. Like, matter of fact, if I don't have Haitian food, I feel like ma passe misère. Okay? Si me fait 2-3 jours pas manger Haitian, me senti misère ma passe. So, how could you say something like that? So, anyway, I'm going to make some rice, okay? Whether you like it or not, I'm going to make it. Yeah, I can get some pizza later. Anyway, so, I'm going to